let's check out underneath. Oh, wow.
I got $100 off front money inside with glaze coat on top.
Okay. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Thank you.
That's nice.
It ain't the loudest thing out there, but...
Yeah, it looks good. Did you build this?
No. Marcus did.
Okay.
And Danny helped me. Danny and Brian helped me with everything else.
So does that seal pretty good so you don't have any water issues get on the box?
It does do good. It leaks a little bit back here.
Yeah, but that's not, yeah.
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 I keep a cover on it all the way.
Yes, sir. Nice. All right.
So you want to look back there? Good?
Yeah, I would love to. Very nice. So what's your name and what's in here real quick?
Miles White.
Okay.
And there's 412s to 272 depth bonds on a 15K.
Okay.
And 2,000 on my mids and highs.
What is your amp wire to on the subs?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. Okay. And then the battery in the back is
It's
what?
a 45 amp hour.
45. Okay. Very nice. And what size alternator?
250.
250. Okay.
From Brand X.
I really appreciate the demo. That's actually pretty impressive. You got this system. This mid-50s and musically clean looking, and it's a blow-through. And I like it, man. Yeah. Really nice job. And did you build this? Like in most of the install yourself?
I didn't do it myself, but I had it done. The only thing I did is my lights.
Okay. Very nice. All right.
I'll do 2 songs for you.
Sure.
We'll do one with the horse show, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, if you want me to roll the window down, just let me know. It looks like
you're good.
Okay. You made this little single cab pretty loud.
Try to.
Oh, yeah.
Try, man.
Oh, yeah.
Something different.
Yeah. How was your SPL score on it?
I did a 154.1.
Oh, wow. Mid-50s. That's pretty good. Was that what frequency?
36.
Was that on the glass sealed kick?
On the glass, it was, yeah.
Oh. So it likes mid-30s pretty well.
About 36, yeah, 38, 36.
Okay.
She gets the dirty touch. Take off for your passion, 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 sister, dancing. She crossing the law, she got the hands down out in Colombia. Una loca, una botella, me la sopla. Tenía so. She got her hands on out in Colombia. Una money pone loca. Una botella, me la sopla. Tenía su coca. Mami, ven aquí, quítate la ropa. Coca, mami, ven aquí, quítate la ropa. Not bad.
Does it like it better window down, up, sealed? What did you notice best?
If you're on this side, with the door open, it's loud.
is? Okay.
Yeah, you want to try that way?
Sure, man. You just open that door and I'll stay right here in your demo. All right.
The baby came back with the tape on it. They had me going to sleep. They know he ain't going for shit. You already know I get it. Nigga way too lit. Want my name in honest. Look at my watch. It's time for the turn up. Yeah, they need it. It's a murder. Come ahead on the player. I got the whole world. Bitch, post up. No, her name ain't. Oh, telling me that I'm Don't play with me, I don't got time to play. 4 times out of 4 got that fire. I ain't talking no good shit, it's super fire. But hey, I hope don't nobody gon' die today. I'ma blow.
Cause I gotta live, take care of home, spoil all my kids. And if I'm alone, stand on the bed. Whatever
You own it, it what it is. You know a nigga ain't going like bitch. Nigga tell you, I tear the roof up off my bitch.
that other shit out, it ain't easy. Baby came back with the tape, brought the hits with him. All this whack ass shit, niggas putting out shit, had me going to sleep while I'm driving. Had me going to sleep. You know he ain't going for shit. He get violent. You already know how I get. Nigga way too lit. Want my name in all kind of shit. Tell me to go get some dollars. Pull up my total. I didn't have time. I looked at my wife. It's time for the turn up. Yeah, they need it. Killing shit. I had to work off on this. Put on shit on this for murder. I'm mad on the player, I got the whole world. Bitch, posted up on my bed. Know her name ain't up that nasty shit. Started out on the shit nasty. Oh, telling me that I'm a dad. Started out on the good. Let me still learn to be a commercial and shit. Off the top, bitch, this really me when you got it. It ain't no rehearsing and shit. Step, fuck on my toe now. You fuck niggas don't wanna go there. You can put me in the snack in the room together. I promise it's only my own. Don't play with me, I don't got time to play. 4 times out of 4 got that fire. Ain't talking no little shit, it's up on fire. But hey, I hope that nobody won't die today. I'ma blow, cause I gotta live. Take care of home, spoil all my kids. And if I'm alone, stand on the bed. Whatever you want, it is what it is. You know a nigga ain't going to bitch. I tear the roof up off the bitch, nigga. My bitch up a kid, she get this. She make her last bitch. That other shit out, it ain't easy. Baby came back with the tape, brought the hits with him. All this whack ass shit, niggas putting out shit, had me going to sleep while I'm driving.
Take off for your fashion, passion, sister dancing, baby dancing. Forcing her Lord, she got her ass down out in Colombia. Put her money in the loca. When I put my thing on, man, I saw black. Skinny and some coca. Mami, ven aquí, quítate la ropa.
With the tape on the hits with all this whack ass shit. It had me going to sleep while I'm driving. They know he ain't going for shit. He get violent. You already know how I get. Nigga way too lit. Want my name in all kind of shit. Tell me to go get some dollars. Pull up my total. I didn't have time. I looked at my wife. It's time for the turn up. Yeah, they need it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.